Hello.
Magandang gabi.
Welcome back.
Sorry about this. It's not a fashion statement. Just had a bath and my hair's wet, so it's just practical. I might lose it halfway through the video, but for now, we're gonna go with it, okay?
What's for dinner?
We are gonna have... Can you have a guess? Can you have a guess by the ingredients?
So we've got chicken, onions. Are they frozen onions?
Yeah, because we've got none left.
Oh no!
Carrots, spuds, peas and sweet corn, tomato, bay leaves, garlic, soya sauce, lemon and chicken stock. Can you guess?
I don't even know what it is, to be honest.
We're gonna attempt, and I say attempt because you know how I improvise. We're gonna attempt manok Afritada. Ooh. So, we've had it maybe 2 or 3 times, and whenever I see it, I get it, but it's not something that I see very often. We're gonna have it with rice, and I think I pretty much have everything. I'm not using fish sauce because it's salty, so I'm just gonna use salt instead. And I'm not using bell peppers because I'm not a massive fan, so we're gonna have sweet corn instead of bell peppers. Well, we haven't got any either. We haven't been shopping.
Oh.
So the only things that I've altered is instead of fish sauce, I'm having salt, and instead of bell peppers, we're having sweet corn. So everything else should be
on point
as it is. So I think this is like, other than obviously adobo, this is
quite exotic.
It is exotic, yeah. But it's probably going to be like the closest to the recipe than that we've made so far. The other thing is I've got tomato passata instead of actual tomatoes because I don't like tomatoes at all. But I know this is a tomato based dish and I do like the dinner, so I got passata instead of actual tomatoes. Please forgive me. But we're going to start because I'm starving and yeah.
You got a recipe?
I do.
Good job.
I do. So marinate chicken in soy sauce and lemon juice. That has been happening over here. That is marinated. Look at the setup. I got it all ready.
You're all good to go, aren't you?
I'm excited for this one. Can you tell? I'm prepared. Okay, and then drain the chicken from the marinade. I'm going to leave it in there for a little bit longer while I just do the others because I'm not going to use that yet. So in a heavy pan,
That looks like a heavy pan.
Heat oil on a medium heat. Saute onions and garlic.
Oh, you're going to burn me onions again, aren't you?
I don't even know what saute means. You're a shambles.
Right, saute time.
So my garlic.
I'm just drinking some alcohol.
It says 2 cloves of garlic, so we're going to go with 2 spoons of garlic because we do love a bit of garlic.
Wow, that is absolutely... You put half the jar in.
That's 2 spoons, that's 2 cloves, yeah?
Wow, the smell.
Isn't it good
You
smell?
can't beat like smelling garlic when you're cooking it. It smells so delicious.
And onions. Oh, that's hot. Can't touch the pan handle.
Okay, what's next, Bob?
So it says, add chicken pieces and saute until the meat is browned and no longer pink. So, as we all know,
That smells so good.
it
Smells delicious.
I'm not a big fan of chicken on a bone, so we have
Chicken breast.
actual chicken breast that I've cut up, and I'm going to just pull out because
I know you guys love the chicken with the bones,
we don't.
but we're just greedy and we're lazy eaters, so we just like the actual pure meat.
I actually just don't like taking the meat off the bone. I just don't like doing it. It just makes me feel a bit, like, puts me off. Really puts me off.
Cody's got some weird thing going on, guys. Don't worry about her. She's never going to be true Filipino like me.
So,
That looks good.
Actually, what I read in the what's it called? In the ingredients is that you have actual tomatoes and tomato sauce.
Oh, is
so
it?
I've got the tomato sauce, that's pretty much the passata. It's just the actual real tomatoes that I'm missing. So actually, I'm doing better than I thought I was doing. So I've just got to brown this off. It's already changing.
Looking good, looking good.
And then I add 1 cup of tomato sauce and water, but I've got to wait for this to cook first. So I'm just going to cook this off until it's not pink.
Okay, looking good.
Yeah.
Looking good, chef.
So it's not pink. So it says add tomato sauce and add 1 cup of water. Combine and let the mixture boil. Reduce heat. So I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to add my tomato sauce.
Wow. Is that the
That's the tomato.
passata?
Yeah, and let me get a cup of water.
Damn. Dang it. That's good.
So here is my cup of water. Oh, I'm so excited about this.
Looks good. Looks
Give
good.
it a little mix. So I've got to let it simmer and give it a little occasional stir for 20 minutes and then come back and add the carrots, the veg and the potatoes and cook until they are tender. Then I season at the end.
So we've got a little bit of a waiting game there.
I guess so.
It's coming on good though, guys. It's coming on good. Looks a bit too tomatoey though.
Yeah, I know, but you've got all that to go in as well, remember?
Yeah, true.
That'll soak it all up. The potatoes and stuff will soak all the juice up.
Okay guys, so while the camera was off, the rice is cooking. So
Looks good, doesn't it?
damn, that looks good. So the last stage now is to add the potatoes and the veg and the carrots and stuff. And then we're just gonna let that boil for maybe about half an hour, 20 minutes.
20 minutes it says, yeah. I think I made too many potatoes, but we'll see. We do love a potato, don't we?
Me too. I hope you're doing it right, because it looks bloody good, I must say.
It looks yummy, doesn't it?
I think you might have done a bit too many potatoes, to be honest.
You can never have too many potatoes, just like
True.
you can never have too much garlic.
True.
I'm trying to get the small ones because they'll cook faster. These were the last of the potatoes, that's why I just cut them all up, because there was only a couple left. You've been selected. You've been selected. You've been selected.
That does look good.
Okay, so now the carrots, because they also need to be softened.
That is looking really good. It looks like it's going to be quite thick. Is it supposed to be thick, or is it supposed to be a bit watery?
I've had it a couple of times, and when I've had it, one of them's been really watery, like proper water, and then the other one's been thick. So I suppose it depends on how much water there is, I guess.
Do you guys think we've done it too thick, or should we add some water to it, or?
I suppose it doesn't really matter now, because by the time they watch this, we'll have ate it.
True.
So,
but it's good to know for next time, right?
Yeah. What I'm gonna see these, because these are already soft, I'm gonna add them in. I'm gonna let this cook first, and then I'll add this in about 10 minutes, because they're already soft. I don't want them to just fall apart and disintegrate. So we'll let that cook. I'm so excited. It looks so delicious.
So I guess we'll come back in half an hour.
Yeah. Oh, no, don't touch that, that's hot.
Okay guys, so
it smells so delicious.
Wow. Okay then. I dropped the camera the other day, I dropped the camera the other day and the ring just decided to fall off. That's not very good, is it? But anyway, back to the food.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, jeez. That's been bubbling away.
Oh, they are soft.
Taste one. Give us the taste test.
You can't just whack a whole potato in your mouth when it's just been bubbling in there.
Yeah.
You can't.
Yeah.
Because I'm about to add this.
What?
This is
Oh, the peas and stuff. Go on then.
So, peas and sweet corn. I'm going to put the juice in as well because the juice is nice. And we do love peas and sweet corn, don't we?
We do.
So excited that everything's done.
Don't forget your carrots.
Carrots are already in there.
Are they?
Just a couple
Oh wow.
that aren't. See?
Oh yeah. What do you reckon, guys? Is that looking good? Is that passing the Filipino test? That's looking. That looks too big for 2 people, to be honest.
It does look like it's
It looks
too
like I could feed a whole army, to be honest.
It's definitely a lot. But it's okay. Oh look, where it's been cooking on the bottom.
Is it burnt?
No,
Oh yeah.
it's just browned off.
Looking good. Looking good.
I'm so excited about eating this, honestly.
Okay, guys, the moment of truth is arrived.
I can smell it.
Let's see how you've done. Alright, guys, does that look?
Look at
Hang
that.
on, let me just.
It just,
There we
yes,
go.
that's it. Look at that. Potatoes are done.
Does that look the real deal, guys? What's it called again?
Afritada.
Afritada.
Let me give it a stir.
That looks good though. It's like a stew.
Yeah. Ooh. Getting me belly. I'm so excited to try this.
Looks good, Ig. You've done a good job.
Does
Little
look
Pinoy
good.
chef, ain't ya?
Yeah. Thinking of starting a new channel. Cooking with Cody. Shut up. Right, let's check my rice.
Oh yeah, what about the rice? Ooh, it sounds like it's a bit burnt.
It's not, look.
No?
Let me move it out of the way. Nope.
No
It's just
burny burny.
It's just the water.
Oh,
Still sizzling.
mastered it. You've mastered it, ain't ya?
Let me give it a try.
Perfect. What's that, 4 out of 4?
Oh, listen. If you just need me to come and cook your rice for you, just send me a message and I'll do it. Pro.
Alright then, let's dish this bad boy up because I'm starving.
Let's turn all these off, eh? So nothing carries on cooking.
Get it on me plate, Ig, I'm starving.
So my rice looks a little bit yellow because when I cook pasta and potatoes to go with any other dinner, I put a chicken stock cube in there when we have it with chicken. So I also done the same today just to give the rice a little bit of flavour as well. So that's why my rice looks a little bit of a funny colour. And I do it with pasta and potatoes all the time, so it's like,
Had it.
I knew that it would be nice anyway. It tastes delicious.
I'm excited to try.
Me too.
Have a little look at that. Oh, that looks so good. I'm excited. I don't remember eating this in the Philippines.
We've had it. Not often, because you don't see it very often, but we have had it.
I do not remember it at all. Cody's got this thing, guys, about making a hole in the middle of my plate. She always does it.
Like a well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want another one?
Go on then. I'll come back for more later.
That's so exciting. It's a rice well, that's good. And it just fits in the middle, see?
Now, I'm under the impression it's supposed to be more soupy, so
Oh yeah?
I'm under the impression. So guys,
Why are you under the
I
impression?
want you to give us your Afritada style.
Verdict.
Is it more soupy or is it like our one?
Is that right? Or is it like, I've seen it, we've had it a couple of times, and like I said before, we've had it once where it's been thick and once where it's been runny.
So I guess it can be either, right?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. So I don't know how I'm gonna compare this, guys, because I don't remember eating it. So do you remember eating it in the Philippines?
Yeah, I pick it. If I see it, I'll pick it.
So you will be the one to compare today.
I'll
Because
know.
I don't remember.
If it's nice, I'm nervous.
It's good stuff.
Mmm.
I don't remember eating it. No, wait, it does taste similar to something that I have eaten.
Yes, you'll recognise it.
The taste tastes familiar, but I don't remember eating it. I just remember the taste, like, of eating this.
It's really hot. It's too hot for me. I can't even taste it. Yeah, my mouth is watering and I'm dying to eat it.
It does taste really good, but I can't remember. Is that legit? Like right up there.
That tastes
Exactly.
pretty good. That is good stuff. I'm really impressed with that. Oh yeah.
Well, there you have it, guys. Apparently, it tastes just like the real deal.
It does taste pretty legit, to be honest with you. I'm really impressed with that.
How many times have we had it?
Only about 2 or 3. Not very many.
That's why I can't remember it. But it is damn good, by the way.
Absolutely delicious.
I just wish I could remember it so I could like compare, but I can't remember a single thing.
It's the only time you really get carrots like that in when we've like gone to a Toro.
No,
Gotta
like
remember it.
every time.
Tastes like it
I don't
actually
remember.
tastes really similar.
I don't remember that, but the taste of this tastes very familiar. And that's the only thing that I can say is that this tastes very familiar to what I have eaten in the Philippines.
So therefore it must be good.
It must be that.
Because if even though we've only had it a couple of times, if it was bad, it wouldn't taste familiar, would it? Yeah. So I'm really proud of this.
It's delicious, by the way. So, just so you can see, Afritada, I think you've conquered it if you said it was legit.
Afritada.
It tastes similar to something that I've eaten in the Philippines. It's so hot though. Wow, what's that drink? Oh, burning my chest. I'm not eating it.
It is hot. It's just come out of the pan though. Oh my god, I'm so proud of this.
So, any what's the word? Any suggestions? That's the word. Any suggestions, guys? Leave a comment. Let us know if you like the way that Cody done it. It tastes good, so I like it.
But also, we need some suggestions. But bear in mind that there's some things that we just can't get. So, at the moment, I want to really try turon, and I really want to try and make lumpia, but I can't get the pastry. I really want to make empanadas because we had them when we went north.
Oh, empanadas are so
But
good.
I need the recipe for the actual like pastry because the way we would make them here is different. So if you're gonna put a suggestion below, and it's something that's more difficult for us to find, feel free to put your recipe with the comment as well.
Yeah, boy.
And I will pick one.
Yeah, boy.
But yeah, thank you all for watching. We love you. Stay safe. Be kind to each other.
And enjoy your dinner tonight.
See you soon.
Paalam.